Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm doing something a little different. I'm gonna bake, bake and smoke an apple pie. Gonna smoke it on a UDS around 250 degrees. Got B&B hickory lump in there, and I've got some apple wood chunks and chips to add to that smoke for that apple pie. Apple pie is not scratch, but it's simple. It's a rolled out pie dough crust and cans of pie filling. That's it. Simple, easy, and delicious. If you've never had smoked apple pie, let me tell you, stick around. You're going to want to watch this video. It's going to be good. Hang around. Alright guys, first thing we're going to do is unroll our pie dough. Like I say, it's pre-packaged, just simple recipe. It's been sitting at room temperature for a little while. It's not bad. I didn't line the pan or anything. Never really found a need to, because we're not taking the pie out of the pan itself. So we're gonna roll this best I can right into this pie plate. All right, put that in there. I'm sure y'all have all made a pie in your time or two, right? If it tears like that, that's no big deal. Just kind of push it around a little bit. And y'all see that there. Okay. See that there. That's it. Need to get a fork. See, I got a knife right here. Poke a couple holes on the bottom. You can kind of vent it a little bit on the bottom. Not much. All right. Gonna get this in the UDS for about 5 minutes, just to kind of warm it a little bit, heat it up a little bit before we put our pie filling in there, okay? All right, as you can see, I got the UDS here going, old orange. First UDS I ever built. Get this pie plate in here. That's it. Smoke it up for just a little bit. We're running 250 degrees. Put my timer on for 3-4 minutes and let it warm up. Come right back. All right, guys, it's been a couple minutes, about 5 minutes to be exact. And yeah, we got a good color on there. Don't want it overdone, remember, we're gonna cook it anyway. Just getting it ready. All right, let's get this filling and get the topping on. All right, guys, first thing I'm gonna do is just cut some slits in for the lattice they're gonna put on the pie. And I just eyeball these. I don't measure them or anything like that. And usually always have some left over. So just get a pizza cutter or pizza wheel or the cutter, you know, the oblong one, you cut it that way, however you want to do it. It's just very simple and easy to get it laid out. As you can see, there's not a pie contest. They don't have to all be identical, but that's it, okay? So I'm gonna get this over a little bit. All right, let me get our pie plate out and up here, okay? So, get our pie filling, just simple pie filling. I like to put 2 cans in here, all right, just because I like a lot of apple in my pie, all right? Just so much more flavor, so much easier to do, all right? Get all that goodness out of there. No other can is right here, okay? Got that ready to go. Oh. There we go. Pull that in there like so. Super simple. I mean, there's many ways. Making pie's not that complicated. You get your Granny Smith apples, slice them up, put them around. I just prefer, it's simple, and this is simple. It can be done all kind of different ways. I'm sure traditional, but this way I like to do it. Okay, get that out of the way. And I like a little nutmeg, ground nutmeg, just for a little flavor, little bite. I'll also sprinkle this on top of the pie, just like so. All right, then we'll get our lattice, and I'll cover one on the outside, like so. Okay, and then come with one this way. One this way, then I'll pinch it like so. So that's gonna go on the bottom. Like so, like so, like so. And you just interweave it, interline it. This one will go on the bottom. Like that. You get it? I know you get it. One more on top. Like that. And I'm sure you guys have an easier way. Show me, tell me. I'm sure you probably will. Again, this is just quick, simple, the way I like to do it. Kind of like a bacon weave, you know. All right, I get the rest of this all aired up and we'll get her on the smoker. All right, guys, you can see pie's done. It's not pretty. Again, it's not a pie contest, but hey. Also got a little egg wash going here. Just gonna kind of brush this on just to keep it a little golden brown, get that color on there. Okay. Again, I know you guys probably seen this a million times, but you've never seen me do it. Bet you didn't think I could do it. But hey, you know, it's Rick's Barbecue and Specialties, not Rick's Barbecue and Pies. But it might be. This turns out the way I'm expecting it to turn out. It's gonna be good. All right, now, get all that on there. Come back with my nutmeg. Down here, and get a light dusting of the nutmeg on here. Just for that little nutty goodness and that apple smoke. Gonna hit it really well. All right, let's get this thing on the UDS. All right, over here, still running 250 degrees. This pie on here, dead center. I'll go off the center over the coals. I don't have a diffuser plate on here. It's just straight up basket. Again, B&B hickory and some applewood chunks to go with that apple pie. Gonna check it in about 30 minutes. The goal is to get it low and slow, 250, probably about, I don't know, we'll check it in an hour, see what it looks like, maybe 2, and we'll come back. All right, guys, it's been about an hour. Let's check this pie. See how it looks. And look at that. Look at that. Zoom in a little bit more. Golden brown. Still a little smoke in there. Still applewood smoke coming through there. Looking good. Gotta say so. It needs a little longer though. Just a little bit longer, maybe 30 minutes. Here you go, guys. Smoked apple pie. Doesn't it look good? Smoked apple pie. Hey guys, all right, so this pie is done. It's fallen a little bit, so you can see, kind of looks like a cobbler, all right? Just because it got, it's still a little hot, but you can still see the colors there. It's hard, you know, you came out with a good crust. Let's give it a taste. Give it a little sample, see what it's like. I'm sure it's gonna be money. I'm sure it's gonna be money. There you go. Very sweet. Sweet, sweet, sticky. Smoke is there. That the hickory is a little heavy. Maybe next time I'll go with a little pecan. It's good. It's good. Don't get me wrong. Smoked apple pie. It's a little. It's there for sure. You can taste it. You know what? Next time, maybe just a little bit of cayenne, a little bit of that Sucklebuster's Bam, for just a little bit of cayenne heat. It's good though, guys. It really is. A little vanilla ice cream on here, top it all off. I'm gonna change that down a little bit. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, no, it's good. It's good. I recommend you guys try it. Smoked apple pie. Can't go wrong. Cannot go wrong. It's good, guys. Money, money, money. Give it a shot. Let me know what you think. You tweak it, change it. Let me know. All right, guys. Thanks for sticking around. Appreciate you watching as always. Thanks for the subs. Thanks for the likes. Thumbs up. Appreciate y'all. Catch you on the next one.